Picture this. You've got a steep, uneven lawn that chews up regular mowers for breakfast. Now imagine a robot rolling up, climbing an 80% slope like it's no big deal, steering itself like a pro driver, and leaving your grass looking like a golf course. Sounds insane, right? That's exactly what Roborock showed off at IFA 2025 with their brand new Mow Z1. And after seeing what this thing can do, I have to admit, we might be looking at the most advanced robotic mower of the year. Let's start with the design. The Mow Z1 doesn't look like your average garden gadget. It's more like an off-road vehicle shrunk down for your backyard. 4 independently powered wheels, each with their own motor, give it full all-wheel drive. That means it can do things most mowers wouldn't even attempt. During the demo, I watched it climb a fake 80% slope without a single slip. That's almost vertical in mower terms, and it handled it like a champ. Add in the active steering system, and it turns smoothly without ripping up the turf. So not only is it strong, it's actually gentle on your lawn. Of course, power is nothing without brains, and this mower is loaded with them. Roborock has built-in dual RGB cameras, plus RTK and VSLAM tech, which basically means it doesn't get lost. Even when satellite signals are weak or you've got shaded areas under trees, the Mow Z1 keeps mowing like nothing happened. No awkward stops, no weird zigzags. It just flows across your lawn. And here's something I loved. It doesn't just cut randomly. With the app, you can actually design mowing patterns. Want stripes like a football field? Done. Want a neat spiral design? No problem. It's lawn care with a personal touch. Now let's talk about the blades, because this is where things get serious. The Mow Z1 doesn't settle for the usual 2 or 3. It has 6 durable blades paired with a powerful motor. Thick, lush grass, gone in a single pass. And with the floating blade system, the mower adapts to bumps or dips in the ground, so the cut stays smooth and even. Edges are usually a weak spot for robot mowers, but not here. Roborock's Pressy Edge system cuts within 3 centimeters of walls and fences, and they even include an accessory edge trimmer for the stubborn spots. That means way less time finishing up manually, which is the whole point of buying one of these things in the first place. Coverage is another big win. The Z1 can mow up to 5,000 square meters in a single cycle. That's basically a small football field. For homeowners with big yards or tricky terrain, that's huge. The fast-charging battery keeps downtime low, so it can tackle serious jobs without spending half the day parked at the charger. But let's keep it real for a second. This isn't going to be a budget mower. Roborock hasn't shared pricing yet, but with tech like AWD, advanced navigation, and 6-blade cutting, it's safe to expect a premium tag. Also, it's launching in Europe first, so if you're in the US, you'll have to wait a bit before getting your hands on one. So, here's my honest take. The Mow Z1 is a beast. It handles slopes like no other mower. It delivers a perfect cut even on bumpy lawns. And the app control for pattern mowing is a feature I didn't know I needed until I saw it. The dual cameras and mapping mean fewer interruptions, fewer rescues, and just more time enjoying your lawn. On the flip side, it's overkill if you've got a tiny yard. It's also likely going to cost a chunk more than entry-level models, and the wait for the US launch could test your patience. But if you're the kind of person who's battled with uneven lawns or just wants the slickest mowing tech on the block, this is the one that actually feels worth it. So, what do you think? Would you trust a robot with 6 blades and 4-wheel drive to handle your yard? Or do you think this is just too much tech for mowing grass? Drop your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear which side you're on. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge tech reviews, and share this with a friend who's tired of fighting their lawn every weekend. Because let's be honest, if a mower can climb an 80% slope, it can probably handle their backyard too.